Hey, good morning. It's Dr. Garrett, and today we're going to talk about your thyroid. Now, there are some nutrients that we need for our thyroid in order for our thyroid to function, and that's what I want to tell you about today. I'm going to tell you how you can check your levels and where you can get them from, food sources, and also supplement sources as well. So, the thyroid, it is this beautiful butterfly-shaped gland that sits at the base of your neck. Its job is to give you energy. Now, within the brain, there's a little gland called the pituitary gland. It sends a message to your thyroid and says, hey, give me some energy. That messenger is TSH. Now, when we're looking at your blood levels, TSH has a pretty wide range on there. Now, just because you fall within a quote-unquote normal range does not mean that you are normal. Sometimes we want to make you optimize. So optimized levels is between 1.5 and 3.5. If you're normal and fall outside of that range, then typically it's a nutrient deficiency. Now, within the thyroid, there's a molecule called T4. It is the inactive form of metabolism. It has to be converted over to T3 to make energy or be that active form. So how do we get some T3 in our body? Now, we have to make sure our nutrients are on point so this conversion can happen. There are 3 nutrients that we need for a healthy thyroid. It is zinc, iodine, and selenium. Now, food sources of selenium and zinc: fish, green leafy vegetables, nuts. Selenium, you can get all you need from 2 Brazil nuts a day. Don't take too many though, because your hair might fall out, so keep that in mind. With the iodine, you can actually get that from iodinized table salt. Sprinkling a little bit on your veggies twice a week should give you all you need. Now, how do you know if your levels are off? Well, you can go get a really expensive blood test, or you can check these levels at home. So, how do you check your zinc? You get you some liquid, ionic, unflavored zinc, and you do a zinc tally test. What you're going to do is put a little bit in your mouth, swish it around. You're looking to see what it tastes like. Now, remember, it is unflavored. So, if it tastes sweet like grapes, you are in desperate need of zinc. If it tastes like water, because remember, it's unflavored, that means you need more zinc. If it tastes like you licked a jar of pennies, that means your zinc levels are perfect. So you don't need a whole lot more. Just get it from your food sources. Now, iodine. This is one you can check at home too. Go to your first aid kit and grab a povidone iodine swab. They look like little alcohol pads, but they're brown. Open that up, and in the evening, after you've showered, you're going to paint a little square on your belly. Now, if your body needs iodine, what's going to happen is it's going to absorb it. So by the time you wake up in the morning, if that yellow-orange color is gone, you need a lot more iodine. Now, if it's there through the middle of the day and then you look and it's gone, probably need a little bit more, probably not as much. But if it stays for 24 hours, that means you have all of the iodine that you absolutely need. Now, again, I would rather you get these from food sources. However, if you're not a fan of that, you can always get you a supplement. Now, I'm not a fan of an iodine supplement. Too much can actually cause thyroid problems, so keep that in mind. So just do the table salt for that one. But you can get you a good thyroid support vitamin, which will have all the nutrients that you need. So here's to a very healthy and happy 2025. We look forward to helping you along your journey with your health. If you have any questions, give me a call.